Hello again. Here we are with the 10th scale Panthro from Iron Studios. And what you see on the box is pretty much what you get. It's a very well done figure. Very nice collectible. Hashtag Iron Studios. You can see again, like the other figures, similar base. All static pose. Don't have to worry about posing him. He's already posing for you. But he looks really good. Let's open him up and see what we got. And there he is, 10th scale Panthro. Looks pretty darn good. One thing I will caution you about is his spikes do have an extreme point on them. Like, you will hurt yourself on those. Like, yeah, like you could probably throw him as a weapon and you would definitely damage somebody like that. That would that would hurt. I mean, it even kind of hurts just touching it. So I don't know if you want to be super careful when grabbing him out of the box, putting him on the stand, whatever, what have you. These are extremely sharp. I don't know why they went that sharp with it. Maybe for accuracy, but they are extremely, extremely sharp. So getting him out of the box, please be careful. Again, the same paint technique on the rocks. Wonderfully done. Looks like it just came right out of the original cartoon, if you ask me. Wonderful paintwork, wonderful detail in the belt being textured. The straps here being textured. Styrofoam still on here. But wonderful, wonderful piece. Again, I'm glad I picked these guys up because they are awesome. Alright, let's show you how he assembles. Here he is. Much like all the other ones, there is a foot peg and a magnet on one side. You can see I've been moving him up and down a little bit too much. There's a little bit of paint chipping away there. There, the foot peg. Start with the foot peg. Start with the foot peg. This way you know what position he's supposed to be in. Unless those super powerful magnets stop you. Let's start with the foot peg so you can get it in right where it needs to go. But I'm having a little bit too much trouble. There we go. These are all magnetized. Now his feet are in. There's a nunchuck. Doesn't matter which color you go with. One goes in the hand first. Then the chain. And then the other side. Pretty simple assembly. And there he is. Another wonderful piece to the classic Thundercats. Panthro. Second eldest to Jaga. All fighting to protect Lion-O. Another wonderful piece added to the collection. Can't wait to show you guys the rest because the rest are just as cool. And there they are together. At least the first two that I have. Looks freaking amazing. The next one will probably be Tigra, and then Wily Kit and Wily Cat, and then, yeah. I'll be happy to get the whole group. Alright, thank you for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.